In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Edge as a PDF editor. Have you ever found yourself needing to annotate a PDF quickly, but didn't have any fancy software on hand? Well, the good news is if you have Microsoft Edge installed, you're already equipped with a handy set of tools for basic PDF editing and annotation. Let's guide you through how to make the most of it. First things first, you'll need to open the PDF file you want to edit. Begin by right-clicking on your PDF file. A context menu will appear, and from there choose Open With. A list of apps will be presented and you'll want to select Microsoft Edge. Alternatively, if Edge is your default PDF reader, simply double-clicking the file should do the trick. Once open, your PDF will display right within the Edge browser, ready for action. Now let's dive into accessing the editing tools. Look toward the top of the Edge window. This is where you'll see a toolbar dedicated to PDF interaction. In this toolbar, you'll find options that allow you to highlight text, draw directly onto the document, or even add text boxes wherever you see fit. It's a powerful set of tools perfect for straightforward annotation tasks or making quick notes. When it comes time to use those tools, simply choose the tool you need. Want to highlight a specific passage? Click on the highlight tool and then click and drag over the text you wish to emphasize. If drawing grabs your attention, select the draw tool and let your creativity flow, whether it's underlining, circling, or sketching. To insert any additional text, click on the add text option and tap wherever you want your new text box to appear. This flexibility allows you to interact with the document much like you would with paper and pen. Once your edits and annotations are complete, it's time to save them. Navigate to the toolbar again and find the save icon. Give it a click and all your changes will be preserved. Easy as that, your PDF is now edited and ready to be shared or stored. Before we wrap up, it's important to mention some key limitations. Microsoft Edge's PDF editing capabilities are designed primarily for annotations and markups, not for modifying the core text or images within a PDF document. If you need to change the actual content, you'll need to turn to a dedicated PDF editor. Alternatively, you could convert the PDF into a more editable format like a Word document and make your changes there. And there you have it, a simple, fast and efficient way to annotate PDFs using Microsoft Edge. With these tools at your disposal, basic edits are only a few clicks away. Thanks for joining me today and happy editing.